Hello my love, it's your girl Jessica Jade and I'm back with another Wellness Wednesday video. Today's topic is going to be all about 4 different kinds of butters that you can use to make DIY homemade skincare and beauty products. These butters are butters that are absolutely amazing and I can't wait to share this with you. Okay, let's get started. So the first butter we're going to talk about, it's a butter that I'm sure you have heard plenty about, shea butter. But I could never leave it out because it holds a special place in my heart. Shea butter helped me heal a lot of my eczema, and it's actually one of the first butters that I started working with when I started making products 7 years ago. It's a long time ago. So shea butter is extracted from the shea tree, which is native to Africa, and it's basically a fat. Shea butter is a fat. It's super hydrating, really rich in vitamins A, B, E, and it's a natural emollient, which means that it soaks right into your skin and it makes a damn mean body balm. So the second butter we're going to talk about today is called KOKUM butter. And KOKUM butter is actually expelled from the kokum fruit, which is native to different regions in India. KOKUM butter is really high in healthy fats, which makes it perfect for having supple, soft skin. KOKUM butter is actually great because it doesn't clog your pores like some other butters can potentially do. And it's also perfect for scalp treatments. It's super hydrating and really penetrates deeply. The next butter I want to dive into is cocoa butter, and I'm sure you've heard of cocoa butter before, and if you ever smell it and it smells familiar to you, that might be because cocoa butter is expelled from cocoa beans, which actually make chocolate. I know, it's one of my favorite treats, and I thought it was so neat when I learned about that during one of my trips in Costa Rica a few years back. So yeah, it has an amazing, rich, thick texture. When it's solid, it's actually really hard and kind of difficult to manage, but once you melt it down and you mix it with other oils and essential oils, it's the perfect butter for rough elbows or scabbed knees. If your feet are kind of scaly and you want to soften them up, you know, make a foot balm with cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is perfect for those, for winter balms, you know, balms that you really want to soak into your skin and to prevent like frostbite or really dry, itchy, ashy skin. Cocoa butter's for you. The fourth and last butter that we're going to talk about today is mango butter, and you guessed it, mango butter is cold pressed from mango seeds. I know the outside is yummy and delicious and sweet, but the nut actually has a lot of amazing properties as well. So when it's cold pressed, you get this super buttery butter that melts to the touch and is perfect for sensitive or aging skin. It penetrates your skin so well, and I think that that's one of my favorite things about all of these butters is that they all penetrate your skin well. They're perfect for dry or itchy skin. They alleviate insect bites. When it itches and you get a bite, they're great for that. If you are trying to reduce fine lines and wrinkles, all of these butters are perfect for facial moisturizers. But if I'm being honest, I have 2 that are absolutely my favorite, and because of that, I wanted to show you guys the ingredients that I use to make a facial night moisturizer. It's more like a cream, and let's get started. The first ingredient is mango butter, and I don't know if you can see that, but mango butter is amazing. I hope you could see that because it's, there we go. Do you see how creamy that is? It literally melts when you touch it. It's phenomenal. It's perfect for your face because it actually doesn't clog your pores. It has like a very light scent, so you can mix it with other essential oils and other oils, and it's not going to have like this heavy odor like cocoa butter, for example, or raw shea butter. I usually put 1 ounce of mango butter, and of course I put 1 ounce of shea butter. Oh, I love shea butter. I'm such a sucker for shea butter. It makes me so happy, and as you can see, it's a little bit grainier than mango butter. It also melts when you touch it and like when you rub it together, but it's grainier. I personally prefer the deodorized shea butter. A lot of people don't mind the earthy, woodsy scent of raw shea butter, and I don't either. But when I'm making products for my skincare line, or when I'm making a facial balm or a night cream, and I want it to have a specific scent that I always create with essential oils, I want butters that are light, creamy, hydrating, and that don't have a very strong scent of their own. With that in mind, I use geranium essential oil. Geranium essential oil is perfect for, it has anti-inflammatory properties. It smells amazing. If you like flowers, it smells like roses basically. And it has a lot of amazing properties for anti-aging, or as I call it, pro-aging, aging gracefully. And it also smells really, really great. It's nice to fall asleep with a scent that is so soothing and calm. Then I add 5 to 10 drops of hyaluronic acid. I'm not sure if you can see that, but hyaluronic acid is a naturally occurring acid. It occurs in nature, it occurs in your skin, and when you add 5 to 10 drops of hyaluronic acid to any beauty product, it absorbs much, much more faster into your skin, which is exactly what you want. Vitamin E. I love vitamin E. I'm such a sucker for vitamin E. It's really great for your skin, leaves your skin super, super soft. Again, another lightweight oil to penetrate your pores. Jojoba oil is special oil, I think, because jojoba oil is very similar in its composition to the oils that your skin already naturally produces. So when you add it to any of your natural beauty or homemade skincare products, your skin recognizes it in a way, and it absorbs it much more easily. Then we got rosehip oil, which is fan-freaking-tastic for your face. Rosehip oil is the perfect addition for any facial cream or serum because rosehip oil brightens your skin, it regenerates skin cells, it plumps up sagging, aging skin, and it smells pretty damn good itself. And last but not least, we've got sweet almond oil. Sweet almond oil is a lightweight oil that is created from, you guessed it, almonds. And basically what sweet almond oil does is that it goes into your pores, it clears debris, it's super lightweight, so it's not gonna clog your pores in any way, and it just also helps to soften the shea butter and the mango butter. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Those are the ingredients that I use for my nighttime balm, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like. It's a little hard to view on the camera, but that is a good view of it. It's actually amazing, you guys. It smells so freaking good. It honestly, it's soothing because it's the scent of the essential oils makes it really calming, especially when you want to go to bed at night. You want scents like lavender, geranium to soothe you and calm you. But it's also amazing because the properties in all of these butters and other essential oils and like vitamin E oil and all of that really makes your skin soft. It plumps your skin up. It makes it supple, which is exactly what we want for our night cream. And when you make it yourself, it's half the cost, it's a lot of fun, and it's super easy to make. You basically melt the butters, add the oils, put it in the fridge to freeze, and you're done. You've got an amazing facial cream with so many perfect qualities for rejuvenation, brightening, tightening, reducing fine lines, etc. I know you're gonna love it. If you want to hear more about these butters that I've mentioned, cocoa butter, shea butter, mango butter, KOKUM butter, go to my website, jessicajade.co. I have an extensive blog post with all of the health benefits of all of these butters, in addition to a recipe for every single one. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jessica Jade. I'm a holistic health coach and an organic skincare artisan. I hope you learned a lot today. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next week for Wellness